Why false beliefs are holding back your sales and how to fix them. Now, over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to identify the false beliefs that are keeping your audience from buying from you so you can address them in your ads. Do you want my false beliefs guide? And then you can identify and address these in your funnel. If you do, just drop the word belief below. I'm happy to send this over to you. Hi, I'm Tina Sanford, and I'm the founder of tinasanford.com. And since 2020, I've actually specialized in advertising for businesses worldwide, focusing on highly effective, low-cost video ads. Now, I did retire in 2010, but now I'm here to help you leverage video ads to grow your business and free up your time. Anyway, today, let's talk about a major roadblock that keeps many business owners from making sales right now. And that is the false beliefs your audience holds about your offer. Now, here's the thing. Even if your offer is perfect for your audience, they're not going to buy if they have doubts about its value. Now, these doubts are often based on false beliefs, which might be about your process. It could be about their ability to succeed, or even about whether you're the right person or not to help them. Now, many people try to handle this by adding more testimonials or by repeating the benefits of their offer in their ad. But unless you directly address the false beliefs that are causing the hesitation, those doubts will stick around, unfortunately. But there is a solution. The solution is you want to identify the specific false beliefs that your audience holds and then create content that speaks directly to them. You could start by asking yourself, what might someone believe about my offer that would stop them buying it from me? Now, this approach works because it shows your audience that you understand their concerns, but also that you have a solution that will work for them. So if you would like help in uncovering the false beliefs in your market, just drop the word belief below, because I can send you my false belief guide, which walks you through this process step by step. Now, with this guide, you'll be able to find out exactly how to identify and address the beliefs that are holding back your sales, and then you can build trust and convert more leads into your clients even today.